Welcome to Claudia's Teaching Corner. Learning the names of the letters, long vowel sounds, silent E rule. Hi, today we're going to talk about the names of the letters, long vowel sounds, and silent E rule. At this point, your child is able to read three-letter words. But what happens with the names of the letters? Some students get to learn them really fast and some do not. They have to take their time. Remember that they are 4 or 5 years old, and when they have these ages, it is difficult for them to learn sounds and the names of the letters. So, how are you going to start with the names of the letters? At this point, they're able to read three-letter words. Now let's introduce the names of the letters. You're going to give them the letters from A through Z, okay? Here in my whiteboard, I didn't get to letter Z because it doesn't fit. But you're going to show them all the letters from A through Z and have them sing the ABC song. They should know the ABC song because they sing it every day at school, or they learn it when they were in nursery. They're going to sing the song and they're going to point to each letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. They're going to do this all the way until Z. Once they do it, have them do this 2 or 3 times. Then you're going to point to one of the first 5 letters that you have here at the beginning. Let's start with letter C. And you're going to ask your student to tell you the name of this letter. When you ask him the name of this letter, he will probably tell you that it's K. In that moment, you're going to tell them, remember that we have names and sounds. Letters have names and sounds. This is something that you're going to have to repeat it all the way until they're in 3rd or 4th grade. To understand that they have both names and sounds. Tell them that K is the sound, that you're asking for the name of the letter. Take their finger and go back and tell them A, B, C. C is the name of the letter. Immediately, your student is going to understand. So when you point to another letter, for example, E, your child is going to go back. He's going to do this. A, B, C, D, E, and he's going to tell you it's letter E. Do this with the first 5 letters. Do it for several weeks until they know the names of these 5 letters. Once they know them, start with the next 5 letters. You're going to do this with the 26 letters. What are they going to do? To be able to identify the name, they have to count and go back and sing the song and count back the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. By doing it every day, there's going to be a moment that they don't need to see the chart or the whiteboard. They will be able to remember the names by themselves, and they're going to do it by themselves. A, B, C, D, E, and they're going to tell you the name. And then they're going to be able to identify all the letters by themselves. But this takes 3 or 4 months. It takes practice, maybe more than 4 months, and it's a lot of practice. Once your child has mastered this, you're going to tell them that now you're going to talk about long vowel sounds. You're going to explain to your student that he or she has short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds are the names of the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Once you have told them this, take 3 weeks and have your student identify one day short vowel sounds, one day long vowel sounds. For example, you may show them this letter, this vowel, and tell me the short vowel sound, and he should be able to say E. Now tell me the long vowel sound, and he or she should be able to say E. You're going to do the same with A, I, O, and U. Ask them both. Do that for 3 weeks. Point at one of the vowels and ask them both sounds, short vowel and long vowel. Once you feel that they know the real difference between both sounds, now they're ready for the silent E rule. when you teach the silent E rule, you're going to start with the word, okay? And you're going to tell them that the silent E has two rules or two secrets. They love the word secret, and they pay more attention when you talk about secret. So tell them that the first secret is that when you have the letter E at the end of a word, the letter E is going to be silent. You may cover your mouth. I cover my mouth. I'm telling it silent. It doesn't make any sound, and your child is going to understand immediately that it doesn't make any sound. And you also may cross the letter so they can remember that it doesn't make any sound. And then you're going to tell them that the vowel that comes right before is going to be a long vowel sound, not a short vowel. And to sound out the word, game. Game. And then they may do it fast. Game. Practice this with as many words as possible. You may do another activity, which is this. You have these 5 words. Write them without the E and with the E. The words are cack, her, kit, bon, and cub. Write 2 columns, and in the second column you're going to write the word with the E. Okay, and have them read the first word to you and tell them, what does it say here? They will probably tell you, cack. Now you're going to tell them, on this side you have this letter. What letter is it? E. Now, what is the rule? How do you read this word? And they should be able to read cake. Cake. Another thing that you may do is that don't put the E, give them the marker, and have them write the E. And ask them how it sounds out. You're going to do it with every single word. Her, here, kit, kite, bon, bone, cub, cube. This activity helps them see the difference between short vowels and long vowels when they read words and when they're using words with short vowels or long vowels. I love to do this activity because it's the one that really helps them understand the difference. At the end of this video, you're going to have a list of words. You may take this list and practice all the words that I have there. Well, this is all for today. Thank you for watching this. If you have a question, please write back. Bye-bye. Claudia's Teaching Corner.